Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Dear viewers, welcome back to my channel, The Knowledge Tower. My name is Abdul Qayyum, Professor of English abroad. As I have already uploaded many informative videos and you might have benefited from them. And today I have come up with a new topic, that is what type of people you have to identify in your life and to stay away from them. So that is eradication of lethally poisonous people from your life. That are just like juggernauts. So juggernauts are those people who camouflage and they always depend on others and always are ready to give damage, maximum damage in whatever form to other guys. So therefore, we should always identify those people who are hampering our progress, and we should always stay away from them altogether in order to bring peace and stability in our own life. So some of these people that I want to discuss today with you, who always bring a lot of destruction and dilapidation in your life, are these. Number one is temperamental. Temperamental are those people who are indecent. They do not have a proper way of talking, and they don't have a proper way of stability of your thoughts. Ultimately what happens, they become aggressive, they lose their temper, and they do not have self-control. And ultimately, if you come across such people in your life who are temperamental, who are indecent, in fact, they always become uncivilized and they do not follow the decent structure of talking and thoughts and conversations. Ultimately, those people will have a negative impact on your personality also. It is much better that we should brush aside these people in order to live a peaceful life. Number two, the dementors. The dementors are those people who are open evildoers. So some people who are doing some kind of evil things, or they are evilish or satanic in their minds, but they are hidden from you, and they do these kind of evil things by hiding themselves or by camouflaging, and most of the people don't know, but they are doing in a hidden way. But dementors are those people who are open evildoers. So we should always try to identify those people who proclaim to be dementors, who proclaim to be open evildoers, and they are popularly notorious. So those people should be avoided also, because their company will also have a bad impact, negative impact on the personality of their friends. If you include these or such type of people, the dementors, in your life, ultimately your life will be damaged, marred, and it will have a blots on your personality as well as of your present and future life. So it is better that dementors should also be avoided. Number three type of people are the habitual liars, that is hypocritical, having hypocritical nature. So those people who are habitual liars, it is also better, and you should identify them in your life, because these people continue to hide the truth. So those people who continue to hide the truth, and they are habitually or systematically telling lies, because one lie needs to be protected by these habitual liars, and in order to protect their one lie, they have to speak hundreds and thousands of other lies. So their habits of telling lies continues unstoppable. So such people should also be done away with. We should cut off ourselves from these people so that we can live in a peaceful life, and we should be exposed to honesty and audacity instead of hypocrisy or habitual liars who always have a direct and bad impact on overall personality build-up, and they mar and tarnish the overall image of our personalities. Number four, the flip-floppers. The flip-floppers are those people who are deceptionally camouflaged. They are camouflagers. So they always ambush, and they do not reveal their true personality and nature, and ultimately they ambush and try to find out an opportunity and chance in order to maximize their scheme of notorious designs against you. Therefore, it is much better that flip-floppers or deceptors should also be identified, because it is our responsibility, if we want to live in a peaceful environment, that or the circle of friendship that we have to make, we should identify the true nature of deceptors and those who are camouflaging and they are doing maximum damage and cutting the roots of our personality and our characteristics and our image. So such type of people who are involved in tarnishing our personality should also be identified, and we should stay away from them so that we can live better life and create an environment of positivity with like-minded candidates who are audacious, honest and truthful. So those people, once you come to understand that they have damaged your personality, so second time you should not give them chance to destroy and dilapidate your image. So in English we say there is a proverbial statement that once beaten, twice shy. So once beaten, twice shy means that once we understand that somebody has given us maximum damage, we should not give a second chance and opportunity to flip-flopper type of people to further damage our image and personality in front of other people. Okay, the next important point is the envious people. Envious people are those people who don't struggle. Rather, what do? They don't struggle for accomplishing or having some good facilities in their life, or they don't depend on hard work. And what happens when they see some people, if you are in a circle of friends, so the people in which you find some or identify some envious people who do not struggle, as I said, but they see that you are struggling very hard and you have achieved something in your life, and they become envious in the sense that they do not want to praise you, they don't become happy on your accomplishments. Rather, they want and they wish from their heart that you should also lose whatever you have. So they have bad eyes, and bad eyes are also very envious eyes. So we should also identify such people and try to stay away from them, because they will deprive us from our rightful status in society. They don't understand. Envious people do not understand that whatever you have achieved in your life is through your hard labor and toil, and they want to get a shortcut. And if they don't attain something in their life, ultimately what happens, that they become envious. They see you with a bad eye that definitely have a very long-term negative and bad omen and impact on your personality. So such people should also be done away with. We should cut off, isolate ourselves from such poisonous people so that we can live in a peaceful environment. Number 6, ambitious and manipulators. So ambitious and manipulators. Basically, ambitious has two types of people. We have positively charged ambitious people, and we have negatively charged ambitious people. So we should try to build up an environment and circle of friendship or the people around us with positively charged ambitious people, and try to do away with the negatively charged ambitious people, because negatively charged ambitious people always go to any extent to achieve their goals. They can damage, they can get involved in leg pulling, they can be hypocritical, they can be sloppy, they can be bad omen, because they are negatively charged. So ambition, that is rightful ambition for the reformation is better, and such people who have positive ambition should be encouraged and motivated, and they should be made a part of your team or your friends. And negatively charged ambitious people should not have any significance in your life. And similarly, manipulators are those people who try to dominate in every situation. They do not give a chance and opportunity to any other, either in your circle of friendship or in your company or in your social strata of life. If you find some manipulators who are trying to dominate 24 out of 7 in your life and do not give you vent, and you do not get catharsis in the presence of manipulators, because they are always hampering your progress and personality, and we should also try to identify them and stay away with them. Number 7 is the bloodsuckers or the leech type of people. So we also call them extortionists, and these are extortionist types of people, or they are highly terrifying and horrifying type of personalities. These bloodsuckers, just like the leech, which are like a parasites, biologically known as parasites, and parasites do not make their own food. They depend on others, foreign objects, to continue to damage and suck the blood and survive. So therefore, such type of extortionists and parasites, or the bloodsuckers, or having vampirish nature, should also be identified in our surroundings, and we should try to cut off from them and stay millions and millions miles away from them, so that they cannot damage us, they cannot suck our characteristics, which are based on audacity, honesty, truthfulness. So such bloodsuckers are always parasites. We should not allow them to damage our personalities. Number 8 is lethargic and slackers. Lethargic and slackers are also another type of people we need to identify primarily in order to stay away from them, because lethargic and slackers are those people who do not work hard. They continue to stay like lazy ducks at a specific place, and like you see, we call them as as I said, they are slow in their nature, and they don't want to improve, and they stay at their own place and do not come out of that place. They stay in closed circles and intrusive nature. They have intrusive nature, and they are not very useful for the society. It is better that we should always stay away from lethargic and slackers, because they will transfer this lethargy and these kind of characteristics in your personality. Ultimately, they will have a drastic impact on your life as well. And another important type of people that you have to identify are the narcissistics. Narcissistics are those people who are egocentric, and they also have self-aggrandizement all the time. So they are thinking about themselves, and they do not want to praise others who have positive qualities, who have high goals and accomplishments based on their hard toil and labor. So they don't want to appreciate them. Such type of narcissistic nature was possessed by Hitler or Mussolini, or these kind of inhuman characteristics. These are in fact inhuman characteristics which ultimately destroy, and these are psychological. We also call them, it is a psychological disorder. So those people who are narcissistic nature, they always have a psychological disorder, and they do not love and care for humanity. So as I said, that all these different types of people must be identified at first hand, and we should try to stay away from these people and build up a protective shield so that we can stay away from them. And it is said that a man is known by the company he keeps. So whatever company we will keep, we will be identified, and we will have a popularity in the heart of the people based on that company. Therefore, avoid these people and stay a healthy, cheerful and chilling life, and continue to enjoy. And this is the end of today's video. Do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, like it, share it, and continue to watch it, so that you can benefit from these type of videos. So you will never be able to miss it, and notified about the latest uploaded videos, which will be informative for you in the future. Till the next video, good luck, stay cool and enjoy.